hey, treat the hopeful homeless with love and kindness, the way that you would want to be treated if it were you. So I just wanted to share with people and just say, whenever you do see the hopeful homeless, and I call them the hopeful homeless because all it takes is one touch from God to turn any situation around. So there is always hope. So that's why I refer to them as the hopeful homeless, right? Because they are God's children, right? Things that I want you to think about whenever you do see the hopeful homeless, please show them love and kindness and respect, right? Because remember, that's someone's brother, that's someone's sister, that's someone's granddaughter, that's someone's son, right? That's someone's grandson, that's mom or dad. Just show them love and kindness. I have heard stories where, there are people that will walk up to the hopeful homeless and give them a sandwich. Well, they think it's a sandwich, but it has rocks in it, right? There are people that spit on them. There are people that call them names and just being just absolutely disrespectful to them. And I just want to ask that you would just show them kindness and, just love on them. And I know that you do have to be, cautious and, do it with a little bit of discernment, just like we would do anybody else, right? That we don't know, right? They are no different, right? And remember, we don't even know why they even were in. Maybe they become maybe they lost their job, right? And maybe it wasn't even their fault, right? There are a number of reasons why. Maybe they were injured on the job and they were unable to return back to work. There are so many reasons why I'm unemployed because maybe the job laid them off, right? Another job. Some of them maybe ran out of money from their retirement. Some of them may have had a bad investment. Some of them maybe had a mental breakdown. Maybe they had a child that passed away and they couldn't recover. The grief was just too heavy, and maybe they lost their mother or their father and it was just too much to bear. There are endless amount of reasons why people end up on the streets, right? But we are not there to judge, right? We are there to simply love them and to be a support to them as much as we possibly can. And it just breaks my heart, when I hear stories about how sometimes they are treated on the street, right? Because they don't need your judgment, right? They don't need you to, treat them as if they are not human, because they are, right? They just need your love, right? They just need, not only do they need your love, they need your, listen, they're hungry, okay? Listen, they need socks. They need bottled water. And I did discuss this more actually in another video that I did, and I will attach it to the end of this one as well. But I just wanted to just, request that you just show them love and you show them kindness, and just remember, that they are human beings as well. God loves them too. They are a child of God, right? And just treat them the way that you will want to be treated, because God forbid that could be you, right? That could be me out there, right? You just never know, what your future holds, right? But just love on them, okay? Just show them respect and just show them the respect that they deserve, okay? Anyway, I hope that you have been blessed from this video, and God bless you. And do not ever give up before the miracle happens. God bless. Bye.